Okay, this is a review of my program Canon RebelT2i. Get to know your Canon or learn about your Canon RebelT2i. It's freeware. Shouldn't be sold for a profit or distributed for a profit. It covers 5 parts of the Canon: the front of the camera, back of the camera, the mode dial, viewfinder, top of the camera. The app is totally free, does not require any permissions to be installed, does not need the internet to run, does not collect any information, so nothing to worry about in using it. And right now the sound is off, and this is what sounds like. Plays various music on each screen, but if you don't want the sound to be on, just click the button down in the bottom right corner and that will turn it off. So let's take a look at the front of the screen. It's a 64-bit Android app, by the way. So here on this screen, it's the front view, and you see its top right corner says microphone. So you have to tap on the dot that matches the microphone, which I think is around here. Let's try this one. Here we go. I got it right. The lens lock pin, try there, and so on as you go through this. If you don't know, then get a wrong answer. You can also study it. If you hit the study button, it reveals all the answers. This is going to reset the score though back to 0, so you can study it and try to remember where the parts are, and then when you're ready, just hit reset and you go back to playing the game. Okay, when you're done with that, you go to the main menu and take a look at some of the other ones. There's the mode dial. Looking down from the top tells you various parts of the mode dial, and just have to like it says landscape, so we look around here, we want the icon or something for landscape, and landscape might be here. There we go, I got it. And automatic depth of field, that's A depth there, and so on. And again, you can also study that, reset it. Each page has a study feature. Alright, let's go back to the main menu. Take a look at the top of the camera, and that's a picture of the top of the camera. Have to label those parts. It says mode dial, which is this over here, and so on. And study that. And I'm going to go back to main menu, and then we quit. And that was the game, or the app. So it's free. You can download it from Google Play Store, as I said. Just search for RTC Games, or you could search for Richard Carman, C-A-R-M-A-N. Thanks for watching, and